Each year, the Integrated Warning Team from the National Weather Service office in St. Louis conducts the IWT workshop. This workshop brings multiple entities and agencies together to gain a better understanding of weather, prepare for weather events, and better their reaction to weather's adverse impacts.
Yeah, so this is an integrated warning team meeting. So we're bringing together broadcast meteorologists, we're bringing together emergency managers, we're bringing together our highway departments, some school officials, all in an effort to talk about weather and how we can help each other react to weather, prepare for weather, and get our communities more resilient to weather disasters.
As opposed to enacting hypothetical scenarios, the IWT involves real-life events, keeping participants engaged and providing real lessons to take away from the event.
Real-world scenarios give our partners context using actual examples that have happened to us in the not-so-recent past, so that when they do happen again, they are ready and able to act based on the training that we've given them.
In weather, every event often teaches a new lesson, and each lesson will aid the operational performance of the workshop's participants. However, one element of the workshop often is looked over, and it can be the relationships forged through the experience and what that means going forward.
Yeah, so the annual IWT meeting is really important because it brings all of the weather enterprise together, from those of us on TV to the National Weather Service to the emergency managers. We all work together for one central mission to protect the public, so getting all of us in the same room is essential in our collaborative efforts and what we do for you.
It's important to bring everyone within this area together so that we can collaborate on what everything means to us and what information we're gathering from you, also and what's important. So you guys have the ability to kind of gauge, in your warnings and watches, what type of information that we're looking for.
Last but not least is the logistics. It takes a tremendous amount of work to piece it all together to promote an environment that each participant can learn from.
So getting a bunch of stakeholders from across the region in a room together can be a challenge, especially as we're all coming out of the pandemic and a hard couple of years. But it's so important for us all to get together so that we can get to know each other, use those lines of communication so that when emergencies do happen, we are prepared with existing relationships and knowledge about one another and our roles in responding to an emergency.
We hope you enjoyed the video and learned a little bit more about what we do here behind the scenes at the National Weather Service. Until next time, and on behalf of the National Weather Service in St. Louis, I'm meteorologist Jared Maples.